Welcome to Psycho Hire, where we unlock the secrets of human connection and attraction. In today's video, we'll explore the art of flirting over the phone, sharing tips and insights to help you build meaningful connections. Whether you're looking to enhance your romantic interactions or simply improve your communication skills, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey into the mind. 1. Use playful nicknames. Playful nicknames create a sense of intimacy and fun. They can reflect her personality or a shared experience, making her feel special and appreciated. Example: if she has a contagious laugh, calling her Giggles can be endearing. If she's passionate about reading, Bookworm adds a personal touch. You might say, "Hey Giggles, what's making you laugh today?" This invites her to share her joy while reinforcing your playful connection. 2. Light teasing. Gentle teasing can create a playful dynamic that encourages laughter and comfort. It shows that you're confident enough to joke around, but it's crucial to keep it light and avoid sensitive topics. Example: if she mentions she tried cooking and it didn't go well, you could say, "So, should I prepare my taste buds for a culinary disaster next time?" This keeps the mood light while allowing her to laugh at herself. 3. Compliments. Sincere compliments can boost her confidence and make her feel appreciated. They should be specific to resonate more deeply. Example: instead of a generic compliment like "you're pretty," try something like, "I love how your passion for art shines through in your stories." This shows you're paying attention and value her unique qualities. 4. Use humor. Humor is a powerful tool in flirting. It lightens the mood and creates a bond through shared laughter. Example: share a funny incident from your day or tell a lighthearted joke. For instance, "I tried to impress my dog with some tricks today. Let's just say he wasn't impressed." This not only makes her laugh but also opens the door for her to share funny stories of her own. 5. Nonverbal cues. Your tone of voice conveys emotions just as effectively as body language does in person. A warm tone can make your words feel more inviting. Example: when she shares something exciting, respond with enthusiasm, "Wow, that's amazing, tell me more." Use an upbeat tone and let your excitement show through your voice. This makes her feel valued and engaged. 6. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage deeper conversations and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Example: instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" try, "What was the highlight of your weekend?" This invites her to share more about herself and keeps the conversation flowing naturally. 7. Create inside jokes. Inside jokes foster intimacy and connection between you two. They create shared memories that are unique to your relationship. Example: if during a previous conversation she mentioned a funny mishap with her pet, you might bring it up again. "So, how's your little troublemaker doing? Still plotting against you?" This reminds her of the fun moment you shared and reinforces your bond. 8. Subtle flirty gestures. While physical gestures aren't possible over the phone, you can still imply them through your words. This adds an element of flirtation that feels personal. Example: you might say something like, "If I were there right now, I'd definitely steal some popcorn from you during our movie night." This playful imagery can spark excitement about future interactions. 9. Be confident. Confidence is attractive. It shows that you're comfortable in your skin and secure in your interactions. Example: when discussing plans or interests, express your opinions clearly. "I think we should definitely check out that new cafe together. I've heard great things." Your assertiveness invites her to engage with enthusiasm. 10. Know when to dial back. Flirting should always feel mutual. If she seems disinterested or uncomfortable, it's essential to shift gears respectfully. Example: if she responds with short answers or seems distracted, try changing the topic. "Hey, If you're busy, we can chat later. I'd love to hear about that project you mentioned when you have more time. This shows respect for her feelings while keeping the door open for future conversations. Thanks for tuning into Psycho Hire. We hope these tips on flirting over the phone empower you to create deeper connections and have fun along the way. Remember, confidence and genuine interest are key to successful interactions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of psychology.